In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the fender liner on this Ford Ranger. Let's get started. Next, you want to take a trim tool and get it behind here. Just pop all these push clips out. Okay. Well, this push clip didn't want to come out. The shield came off of the push clip. That's fine. We'll fix that in a little bit. Just keep going down the line. Pop all these out. Hopefully the other ones I can save. All right. With all these popped out, there it is. Now if you look over here, you should see two 10mm headed bolts. Those are for a vacuum chamber, and we're gonna have to take both of them out. I only have one here, and it looks like someone has wire tied this part back in, so something must be damaged there. But regardless, whatever two fasteners you have, remove them. And I'm also going to cut this wire tie, get this out of here. Now this vacuum chamber should be ready to come off, and I'm just going to leave it right over here. Looks like the clip is missing on this side. That secures the vacuum chamber, so I think I'm going to have to also wire tie it when the time comes to reinstall, but I'm going to leave that to the side now. At the top, we have more missing fasteners here. There's supposed to be a screw or a bolt that goes through this clip right here. It looks like someone damaged this area. And then up here, there should be another one that is missing, so I'll see if I can put one at least here when it comes time to reinstalling. But if you have fasteners there, remove them. Along the wheel arch, you'll see two 5.5mm screws. Remove both of these. All the way at the front, where the fender liner mounts to the lower radiator support, you'll see two 8mm bolts. We'll have to remove both of these to release the fender liner off of the front. Well, that one broke. And lastly, at the back, at the bottom of the fender, there will be another fastener. In my case, this is an 8mm. Remove whatever fastener you have here. I don't believe that this is the original fastener here, so remove whatever you have. Looks like someone has installed a self-tapping screw into a push clip. At this point, you should be able to grab onto the fender liner, push it back, down, and out. If you have a mud flap that's in the way, hopefully it's just a rubber one that can bend out of the way. There it is. Now if you had your new fender liner, take it and slide it right back in, how the old one came out. You want to try to push it further back than its normal position because there's a lip here that it has to go behind, up, and then back down. There we go. To resecure everything, I'm going to start at the back, and instead of the screw situation that was there before, I'm going to put a push clip in, which is what I believe was meant to be here from the beginning. There you go, that's secured. At the top in the middle here, I tried several things. Unfortunately, nothing that I have can go up here and secure, so I'm going to skip past this. But for you, make sure you put back both of these fasteners. They should be either screws or bolts. At the front here, let's put back the fasteners that held the shield in place, or the fender liner in place here. I added this large washer because unfortunately this one is all I have left to secure this fender liner in place, so I need it to stay nice and tight and centered. All right. Unfortunately, my clip broke for this screw, so all I have left is this one up here. So I'm going to put that 5.5mm bolt or screw back in. Nice and snug. And now to put the vacuum chamber, vacuum reservoir back, you would use 2 screws or 2 bolts. Unfortunately, I tried, and the retainer on the other side broke. So I wire tied it, and what I'm going to do is just cut off the excess wire tie on both of these. It is secured, so it's not going to fall off, and the vacuum lens here are out of the way of anything that they could get caught or melted on, so we're good to go, but unfortunately I wasn't able to secure it as intended with 2 mounting screws. Now let's put back the splash shield. Just line up all the push clips, push them all back in.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.